The resurrection of BYND. The return of a fallen giant. Let us talk about a company everyone thought was finished. Beyond Meat, BYND. Once trading above $230 a share in 2019, it crashed to under $10 by 2024. Most investors wrote it off as another hype-driven pandemic-era bubble. But here we are again. BYND is making noise. Volumes are up, short interest is spiking, and retail traders are circling like it's 2021 all over again. So what's really happening? Fundamentally, Beyond Meat was buried under slowing sales, high production costs, and fierce competition from traditional meat producers and cheaper plant-based alternatives. But in 2025, something shifted. The company started cutting costs aggressively, optimizing its supply chain and refocusing on core markets instead of chasing every new region or product trend. They reduced SG&A expenses by over 20%, trimmed inventory levels, and improved their cash position. Small moves, but enough to stabilize the bleeding. Now here's the kicker: the AI-driven food innovation cycle. Beyond Meat isn't just marketing veggie burgers anymore. They're integrating artificial intelligence to refine taste and texture using molecular data. This is no longer just plant-based meat. It's data-engineered food. That's the real story Wall Street is waking up to. Analysts are starting to revalue the stock not as a failing consumer brand, but as a biotech play in food tech. And when narratives shift, money follows. Technically, BYND's chart is screaming volatility. We saw a base form around 650 before the breakout toward 9. Volume tripled compared to the 60-day average, and short interest remains dangerously high at nearly 40%. That's a powder keg. The RSI is approaching 68, still below overbought levels. And the MACD just flipped bullish. It's the classic setup for a short squeeze if buyers sustain momentum. But let's stay rational. BYND is still fundamentally fragile. Negative EPS, inconsistent revenue growth, and debt pressure. However, from a trader's perspective, that volatility is opportunity. You don't need the company to win forever. You just need it to move fast. Stocks that could ride the same narrative? Look at TTCF, Tattooed Chef, another small-cap food tech stock with AI and sustainability positioning. ADM, Archer Daniels Midland, the big agricultural processor pivoting into plant protein research. SMPL, Simply Good Foods. If consumer sentiment shifts toward alternative protein again, they benefit indirectly. Here's the big takeaway. Beyond Meat's comeback isn't about fake meat. It's about narrative revival. It's meme energy meets biotech innovation. High risk, high reward.